सुपरमैन। इस मूवी के बारे में लोगों ने बहुत कुछ बोला है। ये मूवी 2016 में आई थी, फिर भी इस मूवी को बहुत क्रिटिसिज्म मिली है और बहुत सारा प्यार भी मिला है। तो वेलकम टू माय चैनल गाइस। आज हम बात करेंगे बैटमैन वी सुपरमैन के बारे में। ये मूवी आखिर क्यों क्रिटिसाइज की गई? मतलब everybody was waiting for this movie like so long since the comics were come. Everybody want to see the live action movie Batman v Superman, two biggest superheroes of our generation, two fictional superheroes of our generation. Why we get disappointed, man? For me, I personally liked it. मुझे बहुत पसंद आई मूवी। कुछ चीज़ें थी जो मैं आपसे डिस्कस करना चाहूँगा जो मुझे नहीं पसंद आई, और कुछ चीज़ें थी जो मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा पसंद आई। बहुत ही अमेजिंग मूवी थी आई गेस। तो आइए चलिए बात करते हैं। मैं शुरू करना चाहूँगा कैरेक्टर्स से। इसमें हम न्यू कैरेक्टर ये लोग लेकर आए हैं, वंडर वुमन का। अमेजिंग, शी लुक्स गर्ल लुक्स सुपर्ब। शी इज अमेजिंग मैन। शी डिजर्व वंडर वुमन। मेरे लिए वो परफेक्ट कैरेक्टर था एज अ वंडर वुमन। बैटमैन, बेन एफ्लेक, for me, for lot of people, Christian Bale was the best Batman, but I say Ben Affleck is the best Batman. मतलब he was amazing। मतलब उसके जो scenes हैं, मतलब he broke the rule of Batman. Like Batman has a rule of no killing, but he broke that rule. He's like killing and everybody, blood everywhere. It's PG-13 movie shit. Amazing. Ben Affleck, superb as Batman. Or Henry Cavill, Superman. He is amazing. In Man of Steel also he nailed it. It's amazing. Henry Cavill deserves to be Superman. He's the best Superman. And Ben Affleck is best Batman for me. I don't know what you think. So स्टोरी इज कंटिन्यूटी फ्रॉम मैन ऑफ द स्टील। जहाँ मैन ऑफ स्टील खत्म होती है वहीं से बैटमैन वी सुपरमैन शुरू होती है। तो स्टोरी इज अमेजिंग आई गेस। स्टोरी बहुत ही अच्छी है। प्रॉब्लम इज, मैं यहाँ पे थोड़े स्पॉयलर्स डालना चाहूँगा। अगर आपने नहीं देखी है तो देखनी चाहिए जो कि, तो ये स्पॉइलर रिव्यू होगा। तो स्टोरी, मैं एंड के बारे जो मैं बैड, पहले बुरी चीज़ बताना चाहूँगा जो इस मूवी के लिए बिल्कुल वर्क नहीं करी और बिल्कुल अच्छी नहीं थी। सो द बैड थिंग वॉज द Martha thing. Everybody hates it. Like the last scene from the movie when Batman says, no, it was Batman or what? Yeah, Batman. Yeah. No, it was Martha. It was, yeah. It was Superman. It was Superman who said about Martha. Like they have same name of their mother. Matlab, what the fucking connection is this? I didn't get it. Zack Snyder, please explain it to me. Martha connection, I don't like it really. It was stupidity. Rest of the movie, amazing. The movements, every moment, it's killing. Movements are good. Plus the way it. This was, I think, this was the first movie where they showed the media perspective of Superman. What media thinks, how media see Superman, how media see a superhero in our world. They criticize him, they don't like him, they think if he could save the world, if he's the strongest guy on the planet, then he can destroy the planet also. It's amazing thing, the way they show it. I really liked it. The like story, it's amazing. Direction by Zack Snyder, amazing. He also directed Man of Steel, which was quite awesome. Watchmen was awesome. But this movie fails on Martha level. The Martha thing is really not working for me. I don't know about you guys, but Martha thing is not working for me. And the best thing was Batman. The way they show Batman, I like it. They changed Batman for this movie. I like I like Dark Knight trilogy very much. But this was really good, like the way they show Batman, some new perspective, man. Like everybody was showing Batman is a good guy, he saves people. No, here he's killing everyone. Like he gonna kill you, man. It's really cool. We are in 2020 and we need something changes. It's really good. I like it. और एक चीज़ है आपसे बताना चाहूँगा. uh, the way they show continuity, like they will continue this, like in chronological order, like Marvels. DC now trying to be Marvel, which is, you can call it copy, but it's really good thing which didn't happen. They had some issues with Warner Brothers. I will tell you about this later. And another thing was Lex Luthor. Jesse Eisenberg as Lex Luthor, not working for me. He's not that good. Like he's good, but not that good. Like not that level of. We know Lex Luthor's character. We have seen in animated movies, comic books, but he's not working here. It's not good. So this was video for today, guys. It's not like a review. It's just way I think of Batman vs Superman. I think it was a good movie. It was bad, but not that bad. The way people are criticizing the whole movie was good. Just ending. If you just change the ending, the movie is amazing for me. Just change that part where Martha thing comes up. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Hit subscribe and like. Please comment. Please support.